UC pala yung isa ko ah.
UC! Uncommon. And so, this was opened by mistake kasi dapat for keeps namin to na naka-sealed. Pero yung staff ko, pinapatanggal ko lang yung price. Natanggal niya yung buong sealed. So ngayon, inumpisahan na namin mag-unbox. May batang nauna na. Ayan. So ito yung una niyang nabuksan, yung dalawang pack. So this is a 24 packs English version ng Dragon Balls card game Vermilion Bloodline. So 24 packs per box, 12 cards per pack. Ayan. So sana may makuha tayo. So this is my first time unboxing this. Ganda ng mga packaging nila. Mabilis bang ano ito? Sino kayo makakabunot sa amin ng good cards? So, 4.7 something yung ano niya, original price niya sa Toy Kingdom, which is kinda expensive, but TCG is for ripping, and for playing, and for collecting. So, baka naman, rip na lang natin. Ay, sus! Wait lang. Uy. Uy. Twister Ball, Negative Energy, Overflow, Mira Arcane Overflow, Yamcha, Demonic Transformation, Shan Haru House Secret. Kung lahat mga God Rare, diba? Piccolo, A Bad One, Paragus, A New Ambition, Baby, The Body Snatcher, oy, 7-star Ball Darkness. Uy! Common lang siya. Pero wala yun man. Uy! May SR tayo! Our first SR! Woo! Wait lang, check natin yung price. See? Mamaya natin i-check yung mga ano nila. Ay, sis! Boom! Common Haru Shan Sister. And... Hoy! I got an SR!